Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a vocabulary quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. Choose the correct answer to replace each underlined part. The general ordered the soldiers to run 40 kilometers a day as a form of training. The correct option is B. Commanded. Question 2. They divide themselves into three groups to make the search more efficient. The correct option is A. Split. Question 3. They hurried to move the cartons of papers into the warehouse as it started to rain heavily suddenly. The correct option is B. Pouring. Question 4. The country was beaten in a few days because it did not train its soldiers well. The correct option is A. Conquered. Question 5. Granny lives in a house made of wood. It is difficult for her to imagine the Eskimos living in houses made of ice. The correct option is B. Igloos. Question 6. I get to choose the colors which I like for the posters. The correct option is B. Select. Question 7. Mr. Ahmed is able to turn out an excellent paper crane from a few pieces of paper. The correct option is A. Produce. Question 8. To be successful, we need active people like you, said Mr. Lim. The correct option is C. Energetic. Question 9. The purpose of my visit is to ask your pupils to help in the project. The correct option is B. Intention. Question 10. This piece of paper is very special. It is extremely bright. The correct option is A. Shiny. Question 11. Fill in the blank with the correct word. The dress is so white because it has been dash. The correct option is B. Bleached. Question 12. I prefer to dash my clothes before putting them into the washing machine for cleaning. The correct option is B. Soak. Question 13. Little acts such as using dash paper can help to save our planet. Correct option is C. Recycled. Question 14. The house will not last long as it is made of dash. The correct option is C. Wood. Question 15. Tim is really dash. He can make puppets out of toilet roll tubes. The correct option is C. Creative. Question 16. While attending to the old man, an idea dashed Mr. Long on how he can make his job easier. The correct option is A. Struck. Question 17. Look, I'm still able to dash a few drops of juice out of this dried orange, shouted Diana. The correct option is A. Squeeze. Question 18. In the past, people dash that the resources on this planet will never be used up. The correct option is A. Perceived. Question 19. Mrs. Lively was dashed that her children did not make an effort to save water. The correct option is C. Upset. Question 20. As a result of the campaign, people are more dash of the need to protect the environment. The correct option is C. Aware. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.